I'm gonna look there.
Art is a really great tool of communication. It's a really great form of therapy.
I cannot think about art without activism.
We are wired to increase by leaps and bounds when we challenge ourselves.
And you have to do the work. If you're not doing the work, nothing can happen.
We don't really know where ideas come from. You're what matters most.
Deciding to do something that you've always wanted to do will alter the course of your life for the better.
You don't have to worry about making something good all the time. I mean, I grew up humble.
Creativity being an important part of education is absolutely vital.
Mentorship is the way to replenish the communities.
Every effort matters, but you have to have a belief that your actions make a difference, because they do. The end.